Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best plastic food containers that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the ezprepa 20-pack 32 ounces 3-compartment meal prep containers. Whether you're balancing out the food proportion to control your diet or preparing food takeaways for your family and friends, this 20-pack food containers would definitely be an ideal pick. Designed with 3 compartments, you'll be able to manage meal proportions precisely. It's also more enjoyable to dig into your meal when the appetizing dishes are sorted out nicely in each compartment. Covered with airtight snap-on lids, you won't have struggled with leaks and spills whenever you take the containers with you or pile them up in the fridge for storage. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the fitpacker meal prep containers, USA quality, BPA-free food storage. If you're keeping up a healthy lifestyle with a controlled diet, you can easily manage food preparations with meal prep containers such as this superb set from fitpacker. Made from durable BPA-free material, each container provides heavy-duty construction that can withstand both hot and cold temperatures. Whether you're reheating food in the microwave or putting away some fresh cold cuts in the freezer, these food containers will handle it all for you. With its sturdy quality, no wonder fitpacker is among the in-demand plastic containers on the market. At number 3, we have the Freshware meal prep containers. Containers with compartments allow you to take delight in every delish taste in your meal. Besides that, preparing food becomes much easier where you can just sort out the elements in your dish for a more enjoyable treat. With all these great features, Freshware makes sure to have them all incorporated in their plastic food containers. Crafted with 3 compartments, you can prep the food according to the proportion you want. Made from FDA-approved and BPA-free material, Freshware ensures safe, premium quality, and reliable storage for your food. At number 2, we have the 16-pack, SimpleHouseware 1-compartment food-grade meal prep storage container boxes. They are compact, portable, efficient, and easy to clean. SimpleHouseware definitely made their containers sleek, simple, yet functional, that allows the users to prep and store meals hassle-free. Each container features an ideal capacity for packing go-to meals and keeping the food portion in control, particularly when you're serving multiple guests or family members. And with its compact size and airtight lids, you can just slip it into your bag without the spills and leaks. Another impressive point most users found on these containers is its stackable feature. When you're done with the takeaway meals and prepping food. And finally, at number 1, we have the DuraHome food storage containers. Optimizing your storage shelf in the kitchen is easier with food storage containers. Having said that, DuraHome crafted plastic food containers in a variety of convenient sizes to provide ample space for your food, whether it's for on-the-go meals or tidying up the snacks and leftovers in your fridge. These heavy-duty plastic containers are sturdy enough to withstand both freezing and hot temperatures. You can use them to warm your food up or store cold goods and leftovers in the freezer. In addition, the containers are sealed and secure with airtight lids to make sure any form of food, solids or soups, won't leak or spill. Thanks you for watching, guys. I liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.